Animal puppies walk 20,000 kilometers for climate action. 20,000 kilometer walk from Central Africa to the Arctic cycle has started in Congo. The epic trek is to raise awareness of the climate crisis. The journey will take over 4 months. It is called a herd. A herd is a large group of animals. The hundreds of creatures in this project are life-size puppies. They include lion, zebras, wildebeest, monkeys, giraffes, and baboons. More than 2,000 people will be trained to make more puppies, all from recyclable materials. The herd's organizers say the work symbolizes the fight of animals from climate disaster. A spokesperson said the herd is public art and climate action on an unprecedented scale. It's an ambitious coming together of culture and climate. The animal puppies from the herd will visit more than 20 cities across the continents of Africa and Europe, including Casablanca, Madrid, Paris, London, and Stockholm. The final event will be inside the Arctic Circle in August. Each city will host 3 performances that focus on how we can help Earth. A lister Scott of the Global Rewilding Alliance say the herd is going to reach millions of people and bring the fierce, exciting beauty of nature right onto the streets and into people's lives. The UK Peatland program say the herd is a stunning representation of the twin crisis of climate change and biodiversity loss and the journey we must all make toward a brighter future.